All-party Hurriyat Conference has appealed to the United Nations and international human rights organizations to take notice of the victimization of the illegally detained Kashmiri political prisoners languishing in various jails of the occupied Kashmir and India. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement in Srinagar termed the condition of the Kashmiri political prisoners as worrisome. The Caravan magazine, India's leading platform for investigative journalism, has contested a Modi government's order to take down its story on the torture and the death of the civilians at the hands of the Indian Army in the Poonch district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Caravan piece title screams from the army post the Indian Army's torture and murder of the civilians in the rest of Jammu pertains to the torture and deaths of the villagers in the Topapir area of the Poonch district at the hands of the Indian Army in December last year. Senior APHC AJK leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani has paid rich tribute to the noted Kashmiri freedom leader Ghulam Muhammad Bulla on his 49th martyrdom anniversary. According to Kashmir Media Service, Ghulam Muhammad was arrested by the Indian police for leading a protest against the Indira Abdullah Accord and was later tortured and martyred in the Central Jail Srinagar on 15 February 1975. President of Occupied Kashmir chapter of the Indian National Congress, Waqar Rasoolwani, has condemned the Modi-led Indian government's misuse of the institutions to target the opposition, terming such actions as politically motivated. According to Kashmir Media Service, Waqar Rasoolwani, speaking at a press conference at the party headquarters in Srinagar, said that New Delhi was using tactics to fracture the opposition alliance in the occupied Kashmir. An Indian Army soldier died after falling unconscious in the Kupwara district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian Army soldier Ashwini Kumar lost consciousness while on duty in his unit in the Kupwara. He was transported to the military hospital in Dragmula, where the doctors declared him dead. A detainee committed suicide in the Ampala jail. According to Kashmir Media Service, the detainee Jagdeep Singh, known as Michael, who brutally murdered his mother and his 5-month-old daughter with a sharp-edged weapon in October 2023, was found hanging in his trousers inside the jail in Jammu.